Hi, in this Covenant Catholic computer programming video, I'm going to show you a little bit about system outputs. So I want to get some data to go out to the screen for the user. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come inside my public static void main, this function right here. I'm going to tab over because I want it to be indented so it's not at the same level as that one, so it stands out that it belongs to this. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type in system, I hope I type it right, System.out.println. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put a parentheses after this, and I'm going to put in a double quote right here, and I'm going to put in what I want to say. So the classic line is "Hello world." That's always the classic first program. I'm going to close the double quote. I'm going to have my parentheses and a semicolon. So what this says, notice the S is capitalized. This is telling the system we're going to output something and I want it to print to the screen. That's my default place that this is going to print to. And LN means I need to print it and it's going to bump it down to a new line. So I'm going to go ahead and put in another system.out just to show you what I'm talking about. So if I'm going to type in system.out.println, and let's go ahead and put goodbye. Alright, and I'm going to close that double quote, my parentheses, and my semicolon. So again, these double quotes indicate that this is what's called a string literal. It will literally put out on the screen whatever's between those double quotes right there. There are some special circumstances that we'll look at a little bit later on. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to build this, I'm going to compile my file, I come back up here and I'm going to execute my file, and if you look now, see how hello world is up on this line, and it comes down and puts goodbye world, and then notice there's this empty space right here. So I'm going to show you now the difference. So I'm going to change this print line to just a print. I'm going to get rid of the LN. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to straight to execute file, which will compile and run the thing for me. Now look how hello world and goodbye are on the same line. But why is there this empty space right here? That's because we did a print line right here. If I took the print line out right here, the process complete would be moved up. So that's the difference between a print and a print line. Hope they found that helpful.